Bellwether offers high-quality siding and window replacement services in all of the mountain area communities, including Conifer, Pine, and Bailey. Our teams have been installing siding and windows on mountain homes since 2017, and we understand the high-performance materials required for living at altitude, as well as the desired natural aesthetic for homes tucked away in the hills. With ranch-inspired quality, beautiful homes in Conifer, Pine, and Bailey are known for their rustic details, inspired by the forests around them. But these go-to materials, like wood siding for example, aren't designed for long-term mountain living, and the cedar plank siding common on contemporary mountain and ranch-style homes can quickly deteriorate in the harsher conditions that come with mountain living. The winters in Conifer, Pine, and Bailey are significantly snowier and colder than in the metro area, and in the summer these mountain homes sit on rolling properties under baking sun and stark temperature shifts. It all takes a toll on any home exterior, and especially those wood siding and wood design elements. We love to recommend James Hardie fiber cement siding to our mountain homeowners in mountain areas like Conifer, Pine, or Bailey, because fiber cement siding is the best siding product on the market for a Colorado mountain climate and will hold up in any weather without warping, softening, peeling, or cracking. With fiber cement siding from James Hardie, you can still achieve the rustic design of a traditional mountain home because fiber cement siding is reinforced and crafted to mimic the grain of wood. Mountain area homeowners can opt for fiber cement siding in wood tone, which finishes beautifully, presenting like wood grain in one of multiple color or stain options. Homes in Conifer, Bailey, and Pine with James Hardie fiber cement siding have the most stunning rustic design, with the added protective bonus guaranteed with this durable and resilient siding material. Beyond style and weather protection, James Hardie holds up against the biggest threats to homes in the mountains and forested ranch properties of Conifer, Pine, and Bailey: wildfire. Nestled near some of the highest risk communities for fire loss in the nation, mountain area homeowners should harden their homes against the possibility of fire damage, and James Hardie fiber cement siding is the first step. With a grade A fire rating, fiber cement siding shields the home exterior from spark and flame, and coupled with double or triple paned windows, Bellwether can safeguard your Conifer, Pine, or Bailey home for wildfire season. After an initial remote or on-site assessment, we provide our customers with a full proposal that includes the evaluation, recommendations, and how you can accomplish your design goals with siding products and windows aesthetically and functionally suited for your mountain home. Siding replacement is an investment, and our Conifer, Pine, and Bailey customers like to work hard and spend wisely. Our sales teams make it easy to find a plan that not only matches your goals, but fits into your budget as well. When you sign a contract, we can take it from there, navigating county permits and materials ordering so that you can focus on other parts of mountain living. Siding replacement isn't just about repairing damaged siding, and other siding contractors who don't understand the needs of mountain homes might not make recommendations based on local trends, needs, and climate. At Bellwether, we want to help create your dream mountain home, and this includes protection and beauty. We know homeowners in Conifer, Pine, and Bailey appreciate when beauty and function work hand in hand, and at Bellwether, that is one of our greatest values. We have a long list of satisfied customers in the mountain area who have protected their greatest asset with the mountain home style of their dreams.